Well, we do have some thunderstorm development to talk about that will be at least possible for this afternoon and evening. Of course, some fire danger to get to as well. But first, touching on the severe storm potential, which would be rather isolated, but there is a chance where I've painted some zones in yellow, and that's basically along into the east of Highway 6. If we do see some storms pop this evening, well, likely be between that 5 to 9 p.m. time frame, and that would look something like this. I don't, again, expect there to be much. Golf ball size hail could be with those storms, but the likelihood scale is about a 2 out of 10. So again, not necessarily saying that we're going to get that, but it's at least a possibility. Could also see some 65-mile-per-hour winds with some of those storms if we get them to pop. But it does look like, of course, today is one of those days where the tornado threat would be relatively low. And then we get into the fire danger, which today we've got a red flag warning for those counties in magenta. That's basically the west half of the region. And then all of those places, plus McLennan County, Bosque and Hill County, have a fire weather watch for Friday because those areas could be upgraded to a red flag warning on that day. That looks to be another one of those especially breezy days with very low relative humidity, the strong winds and all that. It's all coming together to once again pose a big danger, but we've still got that danger out there today as well for the red flag warning. Critical fire weather conditions, so make sure you are aware of that. So Future Track does like the idea of maybe getting some a couple storms, maybe a handful to pop over, say, east of 35 this evening. And again, not all of these will be severe, but some of them could have some larger hail with them. That is indeed if we get those going. That's not a guarantee, and that'll be out of here by 9. We're looking at a mostly sunny start to Thursday, and it's going to be hot on Thursday, getting close to 90. It'll start sunny, but you see those clouds coming back into the picture by the time we get into the afternoon. Those will roll out for Friday. That's the very windy day from the west, with maybe gusts approaching 50 miles per hour, sustained winds of 25. Certainly doesn't do any favors for us as far as the fire weather is concerned. So we will have the drier air working into the region tonight. That'll allow temperatures to drop down to 50 or the low 50s, and then we will be behind the dry line tomorrow. Lots of dry air really accelerating our temperatures all the way up to 88, maybe even seeing 89 in Bell County and Williamson County. Those could be your hottest places. Cooling down a little bit on Friday, but that is a very, very windy day. We've got 70 on Saturday, basically alternating between mostly sunny and partly cloudy for the next 7 to 10 days. Seeing some 80s come back there for Monday and Tuesday. And then in the Brazos Valley, it'll be 87 tomorrow, followed by 82 on Friday, with a slight cool down going into Saturday and Sunday. And we will also have to watch maybe some elevated fire conditions down there. Not as dramatic, but we'll watch for that. Temperatures could return to the 80s for Tuesday and Wednesday.